respect to all Massive and crew. It's been a long time, me been away from home. That's why me come back, the way me sing things that go on, me bring you this conscious reggae vibes. Jah be my guide, Rastafari.
Papa, you been tell we say, make we trust the process. But man, it is called the progress of the process. We are in suit and tie, pandoti character. Thief man, they all a thief now, this is them batter. I, Rasta man, me know Eric Cock and Bull, me represent blue, white and blue. That's what me have to do. You meet the water dirty, you know it make it settle. And then you jump beside, you don't dirty and more. Thief man, they all a thief now, this is them batter. Salon they go behind, who that now we go believe. Oh, this na wrong side life, we dey live so. If they all a thief, who that now we go believe. This na wrong side life, we dey live so. Sorry, say na sana, self say na sorry. This na wrong side life, we dey live so. Who say a rata, who that get his character? The cap side life, we dey live so. Salon dey well, then just dey pan sorry. Things are go bad, who not depend story. Fake promises and philosophies, yeah. So we don't tire with these buckle stories. Bring us the rice cause the people hungry, yeah. Things are go bad, things are go bad. Things are go bad in a me beautiful nation. What a one. Man them feel conscious, man them feel conscious. Man them feel conscious and stand for the right. Is your right? Oh, this na wrong side life, we dey live so. If they all a thief, who that now we go believe. This na wrong side life, we dey live so. Sorry, say na sana, self say na sorry. This na wrong side life, we dey live so. Who say a rata, who that get his character?
And it's not wrong side life, you live so. Say a rata, who that get his character?
Yes, sir.
You must stand for your rights. Who choke and a
Puss and Arata. Who don't get the character?
Now don't get the answer. You don't scholar some man they show.
You know, I like other side back. He say, you meet the water dirty, you know where clay is settled. Then you jump inside the back, you don't dirty and more.
We don't expect the water they can clean.
And not dirty and more. But we get plenty things then for you today where we can bring to you for let you decide and see whether the water clean or
it dirty.
No go inside. When they come back, cheese no. Yes, subscribe. You always dey watch we program them, but you not subscribe yet to the channel. All wetin you get for do, press this red subscribe button, and then you come over here and press this bell. To the bell option, press this one with all. It don't done. It no get for cost you anything. When you do this, na sign for show say you dey support we for make we do more. For make we go able to grow fast and pass this number, all wetin you can do for help, come up outside this 3 dots there, you press there, then the first one you see na share, you press am. Then you go get option for share am na WhatsApp, Facebook, na your messenger or any other social media platform where you dey. So people them go come and join we na we channel. So more people go get to understand wetin dey happen inside salon and the kind work we really do. Thank you for what you help me for share this program. Yeah, God bless you.
Welcome back. This na the program we are. My name na Usman Justin and
Alim Sisi na my name. Inside the program today, we can talk about landowners them we don't lock on with ministers them for sake of land business inside we are. And not a bill.
and other issue, but one with superstar, where we all know as Salon, where we all they call cow dinero, the way I misbehave. So we, the Sierra Leone people, them, we still not up there. We get other issues them. We get for do it. We yard. wey na the government wey get for trouble plenty money dem inside we yard.
NACSA say dem get money. This money don turn political problem. Anyway, all of this dey inside the program for you today. But what's how we dey begin today?
Well, my people, we get something for talk today about the deaf and dumb. As we all know, say then they can open schools them for people wey get for seat public examinations. But one thing they will doubt we feel say the deaf and dumb not dey profit by the cheating process wey dey go on na the television stations dey right now.
Yes, but not just the teaching process. So plenty things dem dey wey dey happen inside the school for the deaf and dumb. Let me go now and join the principal as he go talk about the constraints wey dey happen inside the deaf and dumb.
April 9 this year, the Ministry of Basic and Senior Secondary Education, together with the Teaching Service Commission, they introduced the radio teaching program for school picking them who don't tap for go school force because of the coronavirus sick. This come after the government don't close schools them for make the coronavirus sick no go scatter all over the country. But how this radio teaching program like for the disabled picking them, more especially the deaf and dumb.
Now we know the benefits from the teaching program because not only picking and deaf, they're not and no provision be made for the picking them for make them go able to continue their academic work now. Well, we get 95 picking presently and through sign language and speech therapy, that's what they use for teach them. Because when you talk to them alone, because they're not hearing and they're not talk, you go for make sign, you go for use charts, teaching aid, you go for use real objects, you go for act for them, for make them go able to understand. They're not learn at the pace of normal picking them, and then time for be slow. And when they use the hand, then they do more than when they use the intellect because they're able to retain for a very long time. It for me very difficult, but if they really plan them, they put more resources, I believe they will be able to get them, for make themselves benefit.
Winifred Kamara Cool, the principal for the National School for Deaf, there is concern about the school teaching program. Where according to them, this program not only benefits picking them, we get challenged for talk and yerifa, trained and qualified teacher, subvention, better facility in the school. Now some of the challenge them with the deaf and dumb school on the face during normal term. And this according to the principal, Winifred Kamara Cool. This situation though worst during this time with the country affects the coronavirus sick.
The school is faced with so many challenges. Now only 5 teachers, including me, will get the government to pay. The rest and the other auxiliary staff them. Now through this subvention we will get from government and we will pay them. And yeah, it has for the teacher because then they say the language barrier, communication, and this government agree with quarterly subvention. And the money in all the count time. Teachers themselves then go holiday, then I'm not for pay them after they talk to them and they coach them. We want more than building. The building inside that, the classroom themselves not enough. We want more than building, the compound big. We want vocational workshop when you pick it and go for them and the workshop them do and skill train there so they can forget money and live independent life tomorrow.
For Sika online challenge here, make the principal for the deaf and dumb school, Winifred Kamara Cool, say plenty of the picking them with this condition not can go before with them book planning after they can come out primary school.
Now the normal syllabus we use now so the only thing we try for simplifying for them. You know they go at the pace of normal school because when the notes not begin book for them, then they confuse now small little by little. Then they go right to book 6. And when they go book 6, then they take 3 and book 6 because one for try for boom them, one for try for make them able to understand the syllabus, for make them go sit the NPSC. Then they sit the normal NPSC and then they go normal secondary school. But when they can go normal school, then they find it very difficult because specialized teachers not there for help them inside because no matter what, when they go JSS, the syllabus is don't big for them. And most of them when they go from the take the decade, they're not going to make them to SS.
Inside on talk, the Executive Secretary and the National Commission for Persons Living with Disability, Salami Kotekiu, say the Ministry of Basic and Senior Secondary Education not be engaged with the Commission during the term where they will organize this program so that the Commission will give them guide on the special team them where the things say disabled picking them need forget for make themselves able access the program. Where they say then the commission believes say the ministry not left disabled picking them be empandido teaching program.
Take for instance, you deal with somebody with a deaf person or a hearing impaired, then they do a radio teaching program. And for God's sake, how the person go hear it? Also, if you put on that television, do subtitle and then also get an interpreter within that screen. It just go to watch the picture, but you don't know what's in the gun. So for a program like this, they also go for tailoring in a way where they will target hearing impaired, somebody who is blind, and somebody will get some kind of mental disability, because there is special learning methodology for device for somebody with special learning skills. For blind person, we get for navigating computer, and for a low vision person, they for get a magnifier. Within the education committee, I think say them for them able for talk to we who will give them the advice as to our best for one.
The Executive Secretary of the National Commission for Persons Living with Disabilities, Salamin Koteki, end up encouraging the Ministry of Education for ensuring the kids are for disabled picking them by this teaching program for the Society for Radio Democracy. That's Jalo. The report.
Well, the famulem, now that the head teacher don't tell me for the deaf and dumb. As we all know, he say, we don't get to understand, he say, now one great person that they pay na this school, when na the head teacher. Then, the other one, they only live under the subsidies them when they can at the school. But no get problem with that. Only for them no say, the subsidies themselves, they only come to time. Now the school for the teachers there survive under waiting they come na the school.
Is it subsidy business na salon na history? It don't begin long time ago, but we feel safe for don't change that. But it's very serious for the picking them na the teachers them where they teach na the deaf and dumb. Let's tell you something. See people the way they teach sign language not plenty. So I think say the government for able for handle the set of people and they very seriously.
Now so it's supposed to be.
Except because we understand from this interview say the most of the picking them they drop out as them they go along the way. Yes, because the deaf and dumb school are just primary they get. When you go to secondary from Beckett stage now, they're not able to forget teacher again. The time when they go to school, so if you find out say, when they come on at the school for the deaf and dumb, when they come, you find out say then it's trained for the amongst we. Pass some 10 days exam the concept, they go get other thing for able for make later they cope. They're not able for go far, then they drop out because they're not able for cope. The teachers the way they at the normal school, not they do sign language. So the government need for invest. But I find out the inside salon self we not value sign language. We just feel say anybody when are deaf and dumb and not get feature.
So it don't look like.
So the government really need for know what thing they do. And not up though. Even this school teaching program, say then they can open school for the public exams.
Yeah.
NPSC, Beckett and Wasken. So basically they pick here so the school teaching program, radio and television, not then they benefit from at all. Because radio, for example, then avoid. If they're not narrating. The television when they see them, we just see picture no more. They're not they understand.
Not for anything. Not for nothing.
So even the national broadcaster not get sign language. Now only AYV, as he say, they make efforts, for put sign language whenever they do their programs, especially their Good Morning program. So I think the government really need for take that serious. But if them budget for picking them, they make provision for picking them, then they not involve them, then it's very serious and very sorrowful.
Well, Papa government na this we think we need for put more effort for them people there. Let themselves get benefits. Like when the other side they get benefits.
As you don't come with government again, under the sustainable development goals, when are the SDGs? This UN chat a promise where governments they make. They promise say they not they left no one out. They say leave no one behind. When mean say it no matter who that's not you. They're supposed to treat you equally. But as it is now, we see say the government they violate that set of people there. So right.
It's not your own problem. Sometimes when people can talk, as soon as they don't talk, you don't get confidence over that.
But this now waiting then we go sign. All the government in the world.
But now talk quick government today, talk quick delay action. let me not delay on this talk. Now, let me jump inside though, where we get a group of disgruntled teachers them, where AYV give reports. Let me watch the video.
Papa, we for suffer so. Papa government, why we for suffer so? Happy, we no glad you. We no glad you.
These teachers have different problems. Some have complained to have been given PIN codes for a year now, but have never been paid. Another set are those that have filled in education forms for approval, but have not been recruited. There are some that have never been fortunate to fill ED forms. They met at the Teaching Service Commission today to express their agonies. The government flagship remains education, so it is difficult for them to understand why their salaries are not running after recruitment.
We have been recruited. It is very unfortunate also that those with whom we are recruited before, they are getting salary. That tells you that they are hand-picking people. This is discrimination. This is discrimination. In Sierra Leone, this is not supposed to be happening. We want to grow. Why do you hand-pick people to get salary and leaving the other people? Well, it is because we have a malfunctioning system. I want to believe so. If the system are working very good, they should know that when you recruit somebody, what follows is his or her salary. That's best practice.
And now Corona is here. Corona is not our making. It's all over the world. So for them to tell us, because we are in this crisis now, they won't be able to pay us because we are not teaching. I'm sure it's very unfair because the other teachers who have been having salaries, they are still having their salaries, whilst we are having the PIN codes without salary. It's unfair. Really asking the government, let them have a rethink and pay us this month because we are family members. We have our kids to take care of.
I filled my uniform till September. Then I got my PIN code on January up to date. I don't have salary. And I'm a parent with 2 children. I have family members who depend on me to take care of them. So I'm really disgruntled. So we don't have any means of survival.
SLBC, we are disgruntled because every day we come to TSC, they don't give us good reports. Today we have come and they are telling us that we will not be receiving salaries until September. How can we survive? How do they think our parents or our families will survive? How can we be waiting until September? It is not possible.
So what do you want?
We are disgruntled. They are supposed to pay us. Now they are saying because schools are not on and so they are not to pay us. Yet they are forgetting the fact that now we are marking scripts and we are supposed to enter grades into report cards. Is that a part of the work? We have been teaching all this while. We have volunteered for years and now we have been given PIN codes and they cannot pay us. Is that fair?
Hawa Faundu is one of those that have taught for 10 years without recruitment.
I have taught for 10 good years. I have suffered in the hands of APC for 7 good years. I thought SLPP should have been my redeemer, my brother. Yes. Because I fought for the party, then we have won the election. Exactly. But things are not happening the way I was expecting. Today, I have filled the uniform, but I don't have PIN code. So I'm talking to the Papa government. Madam, your Foundu is talking to you. Why? For you. So please, step your foot to help me.
Recruitment of teachers is an aged and recycled problem in Sierra Leone. However, the government of Sierra Leone in the past 2 years has employed teachers through recruitment and replacement, and both districts has always benefited. Unfortunately, the Teaching Service Commission in the district has no comprehensive data on employed teachers and unemployed teachers in the district.
I don't know the number of unapproved teachers in the district.
What is the fate of these disgruntled teachers?
But all what I can do from the end here of the district is to get information, this kind of information, and inform Freetown. But I know that these people will be paid, but they will have to allow the proper things to be done. And maybe somebody will ask what's the proper things. Now I am saying, maybe this will fast track a little bit their payment problem. Because I want you to know those teachers that have completed those uniforms, some of them have minor and major mismatches in their names and in their ages. Those ones, they are being no control over that. They will never be paid until NCRA comes back to re-verify them.
The city has about 100 disgruntled teachers. These and others in the district are hopeful for betterment. George Philip Jambawai, AYV. Bo.
Well, my people, now this they happen inside Bo. As we all know here, waiting them teachers they don't display now the video. They say they're disgruntled, they don't approve them, some of them don't work during APC time, they suffer, then feel say SLPP go be their own redeemer. But yet still, now more the cry don't worst. Look this other young lady where they talk. They fight for the party, not to be talking out. Now he say, they don't fight for the party, he above say, at least where this party take over, instead we will survive, then we'll enjoy. But 30 days, now this the deeper, and they get family them for feed.
Justin, what do you need to try for say? Now, this woman gets genuine concern, for talk about in salary. I don't see any reason why if I've been don't use politics in a request.
Well, sometimes that one day he feel say they do it and they recognize and solve the problem fast.
But listen, this is not the problem with Salone. How long we could get for the use politics in everything? Okay. Sometimes because if you say the SLPP, they make it come out and show in face and team up say they're not going to do me anything.
Of course.
Because if now the other party they not get mine, they go free. Or if now the other side we see in Freetown when they notice them they protest, they not show them faces them.
Because they no say it not get nothing for do with party or politics.
Good. And then be the fear. This if he say then a party, so you not get anything for fear. But another thing will make her feel say the situation very shameful, embarrassing, and disgraceful. Now the fact that this man from the Teaching Service Commissioner board tell we say is not able to get data of almost unemployed, almost this, almost that. Then he say then the report to Freetown. How are the reports to Freetown? What do you did it for? I think now forget the data of waiting they happen at the town. If you work with schools them, the schools them will for tell you say this they happen, this they happen, this they happen. But I wonder what really they happen. Why did they just eat salary? where they run after people and for take kickback now their hand? It's a shame. It's a shame for you even talk that word.
Aliu, I always tell you say you can just label yourself when we do this presentation. Now, me and you don't see that the last time. I tell you say most of them people there, whether they put on them big offices there, they don't even know what they did it for. Because you they help people them. For even can't use the word say this one they don't do so. Sometimes it will help for let them problem solve. Are you kidding me? You know the shame for even talk here. Now your responsibility for do what you supposed to do as an head for make them people have the problem solved. Not to pass them do what they do so for make it come out and talk all what you talk so and the end and say sometimes when they don't do this video so that will help. Meaning you not capable of being in that office.
And so what thing that they ask now to Poppy caretaker? Education na a flagship program. So how comes we not say challenges them along the way it happen, but how comes 1 year down the line from when I don't approve them teachers there, so now not pay them? Yeah, instead of tell us I will pay them in September. Papa all the money where Salon don't get. Like last time na the nurse then now na the teachers
Tomorrow we go be other people there.
It's not wrong side.
And the lecturers
we dey live so.
You know we know.
The deaf and dumb they not able for benefit from their life. It's not wrong side.
Where people they talk na twist face.
I say the teachers and they cry for their salary. It's not wrong side.
Where they talk the truth.
Where they live.
Now take people they go put their panel.
Justin, what go before?
And now we jump to another important issue.
Yeah. I want to tell you something,
man.
If you not support me, Salon, Ghana will support me, Cameroon will support me, man. I not care about you nasty flag, man.
Come on.
Huh?
You say?
That's what I say. G, man. You get for Caldinero, man. Black leader to the Mets, man. Yeah. You know, conversation be the go on. We get for do with Caldinero, maybe the left voice note. But nothing, I don't care about Mami cosplay the course. I be not used to that. I know say na life any man will respect himself and not dey open mouth for cause mamikos. So that dey not a problem. But one thing am a problem for let Cow De Niro disown in country, not only that, for let it call the flag, let me listen to them.
Yeah, they are big share this with this policy away the art hate. So me if not supposed to the killing career, me I like for kill career, so for let me albums and then a boom play. Right now we just don't submit this video on a big TV channel in Africa where they can begin play then they know more on social media the art they not sabi them left to the right. Some of them they know only cross pass Waterloo, they not cross Lungate, but now they sabi waiting find pass me. Now they know who that for go shoot video with a HD video when a top-notch camera they take shoot them with. Now in them boy they waste their time, they cry down so. They not even sabi waiting they go on. Because Nigeria man cry and down, they not fine. Nigeria man they not go ever support me because I depend this the people who then take like God. Ghana man no go ever support me, not right now, because I depend this the people who then take like God. And the same people then why I say a good pastor could then they say me don't smoke jamba. Then they cost me mama on the social media. Before Kenyatta come out and make them shame like dog, like bastard. Then by shame, then they begin make like them they support me back. Then now the African continents don't begin serving me. I don't begin break boundaries them, borders them. That now they can't dictate to me how to shoot me video. They didn't left me so no more. They didn't left me so. I not sabi shoot video, I not sabi dress, I not sabi nothing. My fan base they grown at Cameroon, my fan base they grown at Ghana and Nigeria and South Africa. They didn't left me so suffer. You know what they can begin to self? From now on, you know where you me say Sierra Leone again, but not what they do. Because I know they represent mix up and box up people. The only two you go come on and na Black Leo. Cow De Niro Black Leo, no more. I know they call Sierra Leone, but not what they do again. Songo, anything, you know, go see me hold the nasty flag again. Share these voice notes to them all. I want to let them know how they feel. Let them know how they feel. If me not to be strong person, then same idiot here. If I don't make I don't lose faith long since. From where I go shoot #1 in Miami, they catch for cry that video they down. Leak them, I not even done for editor it. Would I don't go to Jamaica go shoot video with busy signal? How fast alone people and push that video? What did they do to them? They just set them all and move them. Because this song I don't open the mouth for me. Now they want fasten. Now they bend back. Some of them they kind of disguise in the name say they fans them. Fan my ass. But I'm ready for the they just look me and left me so softly, yeah?
So you see, Cow De Niro, let's talk to you directly. You know, the first people them when begin give 1,000 leons, 10,000 leons per show. Now whose people are Ghanaian or na Cameroonians?
Na Sierra Leoneans.
Oh, Sierra Leoneans. Whose country where them born Cow De Niro?
Na Salone, Lunge to be precise. Lunge, Botloko district.
Cow De Niro. Because people then are Ghana, people then are Cameroon, Nigeria, don't begin one people then. Don't begin, hey, Cow De Niro, you say you don't go boundary, which of course now that we want. We want let the Salone music go. But God say, not ever ace yourself up. If you ace yourself up, God go put you down. If you ace yourself up, God go put you down. Hallelujah, hey. Cow De Niro behave.
It look like say I've opened church for yourself.
No, but wait, this is not funny. Why on earth Cow De Niro they open in mouth? In mouth. The call we green, white and blue. We all get issues with waiting they happen. APC go come, we get issue, we go talk about them. FFP go come, we get issue, go talk about them. But for let you go that far and disrespect even you fans them. Say in fact, not in other way you do it you call Salone. In fact that will not flag me. I know they ever call like who that care about you? What apart from the music where you sing, what you don't do na salon? The one the way you sign as record artist them every day when I make confusion. What in this? Cow the neighbor, if you try, make we clap for you. No, if you say up, you could disrespect yourself. One like Ghanaian man pull audio, where talk say, Cow the neighbor, if feel say them will support an Ghana waiting. It is disrespect in young people then. Last tell you now, I know say some people they not get problem with this, but this not to me. I don't ever talk about this or other things there. But this one, as long as you go to the fact and say we green, white, and blue now, it just start like when you take the flag, you put that before you burn her. You say to hell.
Anyway, my people, may I talk to Cow the Nero direct. I know say this guy for me, Cow will feel late.
Man.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, man.
Man, you really sharp. Me now one part of the people they will not be listen to your music. Now that now my opinion. You know if force somebody for like you. You know it's
and me now one person will be listen to your music, man.
Ever I not be listen to your music. But when Cow come up this BNTM, he do Kenyatta, you understand? As he says, he don't try. I begin listening, they follow him. You know? But
also down the no more poor other way they call Lumumba. I admire that music there. But Cow, you don't share your own flag, man.
Me my chap. What I try for say, you know me, I know they hide myself. I'm gonna be there down with Black Leo. Now recently I begin go, but so waiting Cow don't do so. It don't even make us scared for follow him. Because to me, Cow, you sound like a big fool. Honestly, if you compare Ghana, say you don't get people who only follow you, Ghana and other places. Let me tell you one thing about Ghana. The world where they live right now, na social media world.
Yeah,
we see everything.
Yeah.
You feel me, Cow?
Yeah,
you know what I mean? The Ghana where they talk, we get 3 artists there in Ghana. We don't take Ghana flag to the higher level.
Yeah, man.
Right now, you get the Sarkodie, you get the Stone Boy, you get the Shatta Wale.
Yeah, man.
And Shatta Wale now the person who get the biggest fan base in Ghana presently.
But then the nyaka man.
No more less, no more less. Shatta Wale.
But one day no come and
but you know one day
Ghana people
and cost the Ghana people. Come, let me tell you one thing, man. You feel me?
Yeah, man.
You don't even respect the leader who gonna salon presently.
No, forget about that. They not to that.
You know,
no, now down quick. Not forget. Sometimes the leader then can say that Cow na salon born. Cow in mama na salon dey, in papa na salon dey.
I know.
If you talk about salon people and flag, it means everybody, including in mama.
Yeah, well, I count the leader because in any country, now the #1 gentleman who they begin count on. So if you look that flag, you know. Everybody don't hear. You don't need for hide the word. Cow say salon flag nasty.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah,
I say not to me and you say. We just explain to people let them get more idea. If you cause that kind of cost, Cow, you don't cost the president. You papa they inside there.
Mama they.
You want no family. They inside there, including me self when they talk so when a salon man.
Yeah.
And they inside that nasty cost day. And then who that you feel say when you say tomorrow show. Now in they go support you. Recently don't come out and apologize to Sierra Leone people.
Let them forgive you.
Let them forgive you. They're not even doing it for forgiving.
They don't
now they don't have the worst. You know, Cow, as I tell you, we don't care outside this thing start. Because we don't even want to explain how it start.
Yeah.
Wait till we care about Naya, but now the cost where you cost really Sierra Leoneans them.
And you go tell me
you know, home and abroad. Now Sierra Leone people and they on YouTube so Cow, they promote you song, they make let people and sabi you.
No, but you say some people they only promote and
you know even the problem with Cow, I don't know if it crazy or you know mature. You understand? For make you grab, I don't know what you eat.
Okay, I mean, anytime we Cow get something we eat small and they tell you very stupid. It's like say where Peking get gentle, you know this sabi manager.
I tell you.
So Cow, anytime we small thing can and they feel say nobody not like him. And not to story be man. Cow the Nero you get for beef up man.
No, but how Cow even expect people that out there for go support and where you know respect people them na your side.
No man.
How many people they get out there? How many people they
Nigeria they support.
No, but go on YouTube. Let's see how many followers them. Now what Sierra Leoneans them? How many Ghanaians they follow Cow?
Cow Dinero, you check the flag, yeah? We know they labor on you too much. Anybody we no respect Ozai born, man. It's like you don't if you live without a border. Because no way know that you go call last outside they say you country, let them give you stay citizenship forever. Then go treat you like fool, man.
What me they say about Cow, you need for come back and apologize to the people. When you was in a big no more, you want left back for the big people them. Come back and beg people and let you see if they forgive you. If not to that, you don't kill your career, though, man.
But he say man they never make in career die, man. Nobody never shake in career. And that's not true, man. Can't be no rub down for you, man. But you don't cherry and fat smell one. I say let me push go before, man. What?
We had
man.
Every day. Till the big now we had.
What's happening, kid?
Jump on the frying pan, jump in the fire. You know, say last week we talk about money. Now presentation.
Yes.
Famule, no go tire for you. We self no go tire for tell you now. This week we can't talk about another money. Well, the people as we all know, World Bank send big money for can help people in our country when are low income hand them. Meaning people that when they work, when they get better money, or people that when they work at all, people that when they do business they way small at least for them give them tip, for them boost their business.
Yes.
But it look like say this money don't count to Wahala, and not only Wahala, big politics business don't count inside this money.
Really?
But before they go deep into the discussion, let me hear what one chairman na Kenema say about this money.
Good afternoon, Honorable Chief Minister, sir. This na your district chairman, Sierra Leone People's Party, Kenema, aka Agbao. And you na the godfather of the Kenema district. Whatsoever we see in the unbox this district, na my responsibility for inform you. Because me sit down with the people there. Every day I know what thing they happen. So we not for the play politics that we take people as for granted. And not go fine for we, it will be risky for we 2023. Pertaining this money, we Kokofele don't send this snack some money when they distribute na Kenema. It don't create a very serious problem for we as a political party. Today, Saturday, thousands of people storm the party office. Then when they don't suffer for this party, they don't can distribute money, they know they get them. Now APC people in the get them, they still don't have the market. And they talk say monkey walk, babu eat. So that don't create a very serious tension for we in Kenema town. And then Tinia with the underrate time with the joke town. We will not forget say 2023 no dey far. We get for going to election. Let us not joke with the people. Let us not take people as for granted. Then people and they vote for we. In fact, some market and the SLPP people and the APC people and they get chamot. They get halala, they defect them. Because of, they know they give them. Because Kokofele say, in the lost symbol. And so in a revenge, income for can revenge by the people in a Kenema. So if we not put a man like that in a position, for can shake the party na Kenema, for let the party go down na Kenema when we stronghold, I'm afraid. I dey talk to you as a district chairman, and know what thing don't they happen. I know what thing they happen at the ground. A very serious. Me, I know the lie for person. I know the deceive person. What I see at the true picture I will give you, and at the true picture I will tell you. So I dey tell you, let us not take immediate action. This thing will not happen at Kenema, this money business, and no go down well with the party people at all. And not go down well with the party people. The provocation, they're all over the market here. Now, so APC people and they give this money. We know they see, if they give SLPP people, they're small. So APC people and the market and then they give. And they provoke the SLPP people then. Well, they suffer for the party. Well, they stick the neck for the party. And then if it happen tomorrow, it go create problem for we tomorrow. And me, na my responsibility, na me role that as a party chairman,
When I see anything they go on wrong, for inform una immediately let una know. Now for tomorrow, let una not say why make you not be tell we or why make you not be report to we. So now that make my responsibility I for report to you immediately anything was say go and book the party na Kenema district. Thank you very much, sir. More will come and will send letters.
Well, my brother, Chinchok me. And you said no,
na the wrong side.
You dey say wrong side? You were there for jubilate until? Until you jubilate. As they say small thing, you don't dance. As they say small thing, you don't dance. Now, World Bank will send 4 million, not 1,000, no, million, not only also million US dollars for come shape this money to them people here where we don't measure.
Good thing for the government. It shows we dey work.
Well, now they work. So now you hear wetin the chairman Akenema don say. This money na for Sierra Leoneans them. This money na for people them where they hand low. Now this man don come out, they talk to chief minister. Say people them na Akenema they grumble say this money they go to people who na the APC instead of them the SLPP.
And because of that, they then go protest na the office.
Bam. But me and you know say this money no get nothing for do with APC and SLPP.
Well, then we vote for we, then campaign for we, so we for make let them benefit.
So,
Chief Minister, are you not the Godfather? You see that they accuse NAXA, say the one way they head of NAXA.
Godfather of what? Corruption, Godfather of which? I don't understand.
You see Tolombo business, so you don't begin back now.
Forget about Tolombo now, yeah.
And this
una left blame.
Tolombo business.
It don't got tears now they approach you now.
No, anything you do, not own a business for talk corruption.
Nobody not their owner. Tolombo, now forget about Tolombo business.
Now, he say the market in an AXA because the Nogian symbol, like I want go against the SLPP people. Them. What about? You know, small disgrace man, man. Hey, what that talk? Really bad. I talk anything.
Bunch of corrupt people.
Hey, not to me, oh, CID, not to me, oh, not to me. But not that though. You be talk about 4 million from World Bank, this and that, from low income earners, the one who the workload they get better money, the one who they sell they get better money. But NAXA, let's ask them quick back. This money, tell me about waiting now for politics or waiting? Let me listen now.
And this money not so for party people. We don't put the sectors way for benefits. NAXA just implements this project. For the first time for this emergency cash transfer, as them we don't set up different pillar them for response to this COVID, then set up the social protection pillar as well. This social protection pillar now then take the lead for determine how for spend this money and would have for benefits. Then just pass on to NAXA because we get the money and we get the systems there in place for let we for do this work. But that decision there as to whether for get her and how much it for be, it was taken by the social protection pillar. How we agree on that money, they first of all then take the daily wage. This is like the minimum daily wage, like 2 months money that they also take into consideration, then take like 25% of the poor. Waiting they spend, how much they spend per food in a month. So now they kind of guide how much they decide for give people. But as to whether go benefits, whether not go benefits, not to NAXA one take that decision there. Now in partnership with the donors and also the social protection pillar, we include European Union, we include the UN agencies, all of those people for agree on whether they get this money and whether not go get them. So we now go use we own system so we get for ensure say the one when are the most needy one now you go get them.
So we also learn say we on been begin some issues that been come up. We make NAXA don't stop for the payment, especially in Afriton.
Yes.
What's happened?
The same rumors where they go around saying it's been largely influenced by politics. Some people they complain say, oh, factions of petty traders then they, others they complain say, oh, this money oh don't get so not so genuine, not to the right people and get miss FD, but the person where they bring this list together, consider me as being my own group, so puts me name, baku things. Also people they go around and solicit money from people they say, give me money, we go register you. And this couple are free, not so microcredit, you not get for pay and back. As long as you need that, you qualify, you go get them. So because of all NCR people, they accept money, take money from people, people get all kind of bad news about it. A lot of confusion inside Freetown past the other side them. Because the other side them, when we go to them say your list, we need for scrutinizer, we need for verifier, we need for no say it come from everybody, then be willing for that.
So Freetown, the one way they get the list not being willing?
Well, I'm not going to say they're not being willing, but a lot of issues come up with them list, then a lot of rumors going around about the political intention of them on here. We not go down well with the management of NACSA, and so we decide for put a hold on their payments there for now until we sort out the whole list, and then we'll go resume the payment. Well, me in fact, when I attend a couple of meetings with City Council. Me and the director for social protection, when I'm Mr. Idris Ture. So a lot of those meetings where we did it, it was made clear that we will get lists from Freetown City Council only, and also the tourism industry. Now we were able to operate on. This was very, very clear. So if you will list them, they come from other places, the donors then come down hard and say, we will not go only consider lists when a Freetown City Council give. So we not get lists from any other person past the list where come from FCC, and also we're supposed to come from the hospitality industry or tourism.
So the list will come out from the FCC being gets issued?
I not one for talk and categorically say issues them be there, but when you get allegations, when you get
what are the
rumors,
allegation there?
Well, the populace, the citizens, them, the one they wait think say that they forget this money. A lot of complaints come on how they are marginalized. A lot of complaints come how they solicit money from people who don't know who is doing this. We not the point finger by anybody, by FCC or anybody, say anybody responsible. But as a responsible institution, if they do something and the issues that they come out, it's only fair that you put a hold on it and find out, get to the bottom of it before you go address the issues and they before una continue with the payments.
So I remember saying the Freetown City Council do the survey and get the data of markets people where they work with na Freetown. So in una operations, una work with them directly for make sure say they provide una then data there or then list here of markets where they don't make na the Western area.
We did. Now then give a list.
Then why the list? Why it gets the issue now?
Well, as I tell you no more, it's not so just about the list, other issues then they will come up, insinuations, where they go all over the place, where we think say as a credible institution, we need for uphold with integrity as well as that of we partners.
So now
because this is not just about NACSA, and also about the integrity of the SCC and other one they were involved.
So you now put on hold for Western area.
Yes.
So how soon una go resume the process again?
Well, we intend for engage with the FCC because some of we just come back from up country on Friday. So this week we go put her into perspective. We go engage with the relevant institutions there and see how we go address them and forge ahead.
Well, now this NACSA say, they don't come out and tell me say, this money not get nothing for do with politics. But this now just a greatest surprise to we for make the chairman, they call on chief minister and lay this kind of complaint say, the money they go to APC and them, they go to SLPP, this, that. But I'm not able to understand.
This is not chief minister business.
Minister of what? Chief Minister of Corruption?
No, but when he tell them, I make them report back to
no, but
they don't tell them say money they come for them.
This now corruption to the highest degree.
You sabi. And
you understand?
Now you don't talk.
No, but NACSA don't tell me now say this money not get nothing for do with politics or APC.
Freetown City Council they don't self kind side.
What he self don't can say.
You know everything you want say. And they talk say Freetown City Council they give list, other people in the council list, but they don't know them say let them stick to City Council. That if they don't know me tell them for stick to City Council, then for be done bypass City Council. Not so that they right side they say people the citizens then they complain say then they marginalize some of them because they not belongs to the party or all the. What do you think say the gumbo? You of course you don't the chairman. if Freetown City Council wey dey headed by APC mayor, then the complaint board and the way you think say whether they complain, and then stop there. Now the only side and the way they gonna stop them. Why they stop them? Because they say confusion and come inside. Like that too. This na money wey dey for people them, and we don't get anything for do to the day. But go on. We had talked to Thomas Mokonte, where na civil society activist. He tell me wetin na they don't take about this particular money business.
This is one of the challenges we get in this part of the world. Every little initiative get a tendency for being politicized, and we don't get complaints. We don't get different rumors, information coming here and there. That even this transfer of cash to business people no longer without political influence. We don't hear people they talk say na people na political party stalwarts them names them and they register for give them money they also woman they when a party stalwarts them where they support the ruling party and they give them things here. So if that are the case, we feel say it is wrong. We feel say any initiative way for actually come for better the lives of Sierra Leoneans for cut a cost. When Corona ready for affect the country, it not affect SLPP Women's Spring alone or APC Women's Spring alone or MGC Women's Spring alone or other political party Women's Spring there. It affect each and every sector, each and every Sierra Leonean. So any projects, any resource where they come from the international community, World Bank, for cushion the effect of Corona on the business community, the woman in particular. I feel say it will be shared without political attachment. It is disgraceful. You know, they send a very good message out to the people where they even provide these resources. For let me hear you say they count these resources for let people encourage them for give and party store what. It is wrong for let you begin pick and choose whether you forgive based on political party grounds. If that is the case, it is a disgrace, a monumental disgrace. And as civil society activists, we will always call out them things they are so by the rightful names. Because these are the things where they continue for set we are back as a nation. Nepotism. That is the real definition of nepotism. Nepotism. Wherein you give somebody favor based on in connection we get with you, in relation we get with you. It is wrong. Corona not get nepotism. Corona not get tribalism. Corona not get regionalism. Corona not get sectionalism. Not get political party. Corona they affect everybody. We see how Corona they ravage lives in other countries. How the economy of this country don't be strangulated by Corona. So any effort for promote the lives of people, I feel say the one already before government for able to provide a platform where everybody for enjoy these things we provide them for. We international partners and provide.
Well, you don't hear waiting Thomas Mosef don't say anything. The donor they go frown at we, and that will make the credibility come down small if we put politics inside it. It's shameful.
Now, but I not say we are right now. Nobody don't care about credibility. Everybody just do what he wants.
Because they want for let and get good name and get votes the other time.
Of course, na campaign. Because if this thing they go on, shortly back, money come for disabled people. Waiting go on back, me and you know, we present that to people in Naya. Makeni incident happen there. The same next go for go give money, give people there. We not concerned by the money. We go take hand and give you tips. You go your way.
Justin,
when will they get relief na this country? When?
So them money they accept when they give to people and about 1,309,000 something like that. Yeah, when they don't give them people money. The question is, how una the people and plan for use their money there? Let me watch waiting the happen now one bar. Who side for people and care go their money?
guys, some of you don't suffer. This corona will come. We might get money all done. We get to begin with the suffer with the strain. Papa, we appreciate you for this way you do for me. Yes. This not really show say you don't, you know, real. You word. You know, real, where you say, Papa, you Papa, want for appreciate you for what you do for me. Mrs. Kadi Pauluna, like when me the meeting up so, me na start to dig and me. Chair lady for Kadi Pauluna, Abadi Old Market. Chair lady Kadi Pauluna, I want for appreciate her. I be don't fight, I be the struggle a lot. Mrs. Kadi Pauluna, winner. Now he go call me now, us. Now he do me niaga. And I know regret her. I'm really happy. I know say more de bien. Papa, we first lady Mrs. Fatima Dio. Let go the help you. Let help you long life and well body. We want to tell you baku. Thank you. Help daddy. What you do for the country. We really appreciate you. We tell you baku thank you. Me your name na answer to the game name. Abadi
Michael Potter.
Chair lady for SAPP.
Mina Michael Potter, Secretary General
Yes,
of the business.
Well, you see, celebration don't begin. This then give them for 2 months. We don't know if this money get for camp. 1 million, somebody go able for use and do business, able for make something come out of there. But then get a fan market na Abadi Road, for example, who side and they are come out soon. Now they didn't they enjoy.
But we say not chilling.
Simple and tell no work for I don't enjoy.
Of course.
We appreciate una tell thank you to the caretaker and the one that will give the money. You know, when I not call World Bank or that okay, when I don't know at them, as far as my concern, our government give the money, good, kudos. Now good thing and the body, I not going call them money, and no good day tomorrow.
Not so you tell them how for use the money. They don't owe the money. They don't see about money according to them.
But the thing if you go sit down and buy, you call it.
Not to your business.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Power. Salon for better. Any angle way better yourself. If now rumba, if you say they go better yourself, oh yeah.
It's now inside life we dey live so. Well, we go to another issue. And then we drop now on land business. We know say the one really in charge of land business are Dr. Denis Sandy. Where that man we been taking foot a car count up people and documents in office. Remember, right? Yes, Dr. Sandy. So that bluff man. Not only no more. And it being this man has to be done now the second time this in the Canada Lands Ministry under APC be daily. And this now the person way under APC they may sack him because then say it take people it take fear and people and for go fight for them case and other things then. Now it don't come back. Now it go physically and land to land, pull people and they by force. But now not to you now the thing I right now. One we find boy we get great, it can make it here so.
Okay. That Rasta man. I think I know the deputy.
Sembe. Okay, Minister of Education, Basic Education. This woman just don't explain say it go fetch for a land, but this one not to me. I'm not concerned about the woman in land or waiting. You know what's the problem? That side outside in the build Sona Beach. Una be members say long time ago under APC. They be don't build fine things there under bunker and club bar. This we all be the go there, we go Cuba. Yeah, we be the go there, go enjoy. Now they say no, not structure, not for their permanent structure. Now they broke all team. They say they left say, Uda they over the streets. Now they forget the view. They could just put umbrella and chairs them and make them fine, but no permanent structure.
Yeah.
Me sample them. Now this side and say no permanent structure where the Ministry of Tourism itself they agree to. Now they put serious big foundation this right now. And according to the human allegation, it said the Ministry of Tourism itself not again AI. Now you want to pay for normally in agreements we can pay in dues them they not take and because they want for they left that land there.
But the problem we me get concerning this minister, you know, as you don't talk Kanaya, this place structure they be there under, they don't clear they say not enough for the day. Okay, not a problem, not so anymore. This particular building where the minister they can put, we get to understand is say then say na a sports center. But how you dey go put a sports center near the water, and not only the water, sideway from APC time, dem say nobody no get right for can build day. Don you as a minister, you grab today say you dey can build day. Wetin you dey use the power becoming a minister or wetin?
And na be APC term, this na your own term now. Wetin na we slogan?
Pauper.
It's na wrong side life we dey live, so thing dey turn upside down, you know sabi.
So you tell me say na the pauper this?
Yeah.
Pauper Usai structure not for TINAP. Pauper is for TINAP day.
Yes.
Right?
Pauper that direction one and one go. Pauper with a good day. Yeah, other fat.
And the changes this?
You fat? With the
Now the changes this?
Sabi.
Now the direction this?
Senge. David Senge. Go ahead there, Billy land.
And not
how come to get the land inside 2 years?
Well, now that now the question want meet up and talk so.
So don't begin me talk now.
I will tell you. Now the same thing I want to ask, how comes this man can get this land at those short time where they can appoint him? So let me say,
on a lock on a quick. I'm not being telling you just no say Dennis Sandy can do anything.
The grab.
I'm not tell you.
You talk?
No make clear the list.
They talk.
I'm not tell you say Dennis Sandy.
You talk for jog land and for grab.
Wait, do I take him for the cat on top table? On top document. That one when he blows away then I'm block man.
Not talk you know see not to I think yellow now.
Yes, it's going to. Hey, cat on top is all I see.
I take the Fernando Cup. I make am so. If you are there picking the way they drive ball now far. That's talking about for me, no more.
Una no go tell say any say the Congo Sao. You are sabi una. Una no tell them this now. Yeah, Dennis Sandy get now under back a gap 110. He go beat one beat and good one. You remember now talk about Samba?
Yeah, I know.
They beat the good one and land. Then pull and they say that they get the land with fence.
And the Sandina Kosovo.
Who's Kosovo?
There's a season advantage for people there. Power not to forever.
Well, now this they don't know.
Power not
and
to
you always
forever.
talk this, and now they talk and back. Now this makes certain time then they people in the run away come on a salon after they lost election.
Because of them doing.
Land being names to you see the issue of this how you name Patso. Inside election, this then join and this that beat one journalist right you know say we talk about that the journalist be don't die. From way Patso we not get my car right now because if you can't they arrest her. So you see the right everything that happen, the issue of Lima, the issue of Dennis Sandy and other people then just the terrorize people If people lost power, then we will sit down as alone.
I want them. They all get green book.
Then we government officials they also they're only concerned about the young personal self and not the citizens. Anything where the benefits and any concern about. Waiting now for we the people they no one know about them.
How then they go know about you?
Yeah, this not down side life we they live so.
You want to get diplomatic passports.
This not down side life we they live so.
As they charge them tomorrow and go then they go.
Yeah, this not down side life we they live so.
So you expect them for know about you? Who's that you get for go?
This not wrong side life we they live so. The parents who say character now would get this character. Una can una meet the water dirty, una know it like it set una jump inside and dirty and back pass a day.
I think the dirty we man and count if you pass the dirty within the water. Because people like say they be manage the water for drink. But now nothing the dirty don't pass mark. No way not they say whether they pin the water for sometimes, whether they able get a small and whether they manage.
Important issue.
I'm waiting again.
You don't ever subscribe to a channel?
Ask them.
Okay, I know. You can let people you can watch. Subscribe now. Thank you. Dear, not only subscribe, you see the notification bell, Obaso. Press her. You see the line where come. Look up small. You see one side where they say all. Press her. You know why you press the all for the notification bell? So anytime where with a post video, you go able to get notification. We find out say plenty people don't subscribe. But most times the one that when they just fetch no money and then they come and view. But the notification you want them in like really small. So put on your notification bell now. Thank you. With this video, I like her. Give it thumbs up. But what do you think about all what we don't talk? I'm not saying you get interest and you get concern. What do you wait? Drop your comments, let me know what you think. This talk, not so we don't talk no more, you know that? I like you. It's just it.
Well, the people for today's program, now here they tap. Until we meet again, the other edition. Una stay safe. Una be careful as Papa government say that they can't open schools.
Wait. I hear they ask everything. Okay, wait, no worry. We will show you how to subscribe. The video they can last, not go just in talk. Sorry, if they ask me question, they say how for subscribe, you not sabi, I don't share. But wait, if you not sabi self, by the end of the video, we'll upload you one video do, we will show you how for subscribe. I like you. Yes, Justin.
As I talk, una be careful as Papa government say that they can't open schools for picking the way sit public exams. And that they can't open the Sierra Leone International Airport via that emergency test. Una be careful.
On the issue of the school, even the Combra then say, Italy say the government while picking and fail this term more than ever.
No, but if picking them don't fail, when they attend the full 3 term, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, results they bad pass anything. What about now? Where picking them nobody they go school. So picking nobody even just book. Though una can't open schools, we say for go city exam. Where she say they expect?
Well, no, we make them they watch television and radio.
Now all man get access, pan blackouts, in and out.
Papa said you know to me.
No, listen. You get certain countries them where you they do that one day online classes where it benefit picking them. Not so in the case of Salone where you get blackout 1 week, you get like 2 days. So what's in the benefit?
Battery they will buy battery for radio.
Now everybody self get television.
No, radio. Buy battery for radio.
Let man go fair and go press money first before you talk about battery.
No, but not to that though. The one in a class safe. Pick some picking and the teacher and me understand. If you go listen radio now when you see that, I go understand.
Okay, well, ask yourself no more.
They allow join them parents them. We say they picking and not fail beaucoup, dia.
Well, famulem, na so they take the left one. Mina Usman Justin, until we meet again, una stay blessed.
Mina Ali Sise, we love you, God bless you, bye bye. Yes, subscribe. You always dey watch we program them, but you not subscribe yet to the channel. All wetin you get for do, press this red subscribe button, and then you come over here and press this bell. To the bell option, press this one with all. E don done. E no get for cost you anything. When you do this, na sign for show say you dey support we for make we do more. For make we go able for grow fast and pass this number, all wetin you can do for help, come up outside this 3 dots there, you press there, then the first one you see na share, you press am. Then you go get option for share am na WhatsApp, Facebook, na your messenger or any other social media platform where you dey. So people them go come and join me na we channel. So more people go get to understand wetin dey happen inside Salone and the kind work we really do. Thank you for what you don help me for share this program. Yeah, God bless you.